Alright kids, today we're going to draw a cute little tiger. Grab your pencils and let's get started. First, let's draw the tiger's head. Start by drawing a horizontal oval in the middle of your paper. This will be the tiger's face. Next, in the center of the oval, draw a small oval for the tiger's nose. Easy, right? Now from the nose, let's add the tiger's stripes on its cheeks. Draw 2 diagonal lines above the nose and 2 below the nose. These lines will make our tiger look fierce. Let's draw the tiger's eyes. Place them on both sides of the cheeks. Fill in the eyes with 2 small dots to make them come to life. Then let's give our tiger a mouth. Draw a small curved line right below the nose. After that, it's time to draw the tiger's ears. Each ear is made up of 2 semicircles. Place one on each side of the top of the head. Great job on the head. Now let's move on to the body. Draw 2 diagonal lines coming down from the head. These will be the tiger's front legs. Below these lines, draw 2 horizontal ovals to represent the tiger's paws. Connect the paws with a horizontal line, and then draw the tiger's belly with a vertical oval connecting to the paws. Next, let's draw the tiger's hind legs. Each hind leg consists of 2 connected ovals, making it look like our tiger is sitting. After that, it's time to draw the tiger's tail. Make it curved, resembling the handle of an umbrella. Now grab your black marker. Color the tiger's nose and outline the stripes on its body. Use a triangular shape for the stripes on the cheeks. Draw 2 inverted triangles on the forehead and 2 triangles on each cheek. Add triangular stripes on the body, 3 on each side. Don't forget the stripes on the tail and legs. Next, let's draw the tiger's sharp claws. Give each paw 3 pointy claws. Now it's time to color. Use your black marker to fill in all the triangular stripes on the tiger's body. Then let's add some background elements. Draw a small slope under the tiger and add some flowers, grass, a blue sky, and white clouds. Now grab your yellow marker. Color the tiger's forehead and the inside of the ears. Then, use a red marker to color the outside of the ears and the empty spaces on both sides of the cheeks, leaving the area below the mouth white. Use the red marker to color the tiger's body, leaving the belly white. Also, color the legs and tail with the red marker. After that, use a green marker to color the slope and the leaves of the flowers. Color the flowers orange. Finally, use a blue marker to color the clouds, deepening the color a few times. And there you have it. Your adorable little tiger is complete. Great job, everyone!
Thank you for watching my video. Remember to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time.